This part was created in Alibre. Now I will transfer it into EZCAM. I will demonstrate programming this part, but in as short a time as possible. The main focus is on associativity. We'll start with the counterbores using a 1/8 end mill. As we step down in the Z-axis, we will stop every 1/4 of an inch until we reach the bottom, and for each step, we will use high-speed machining. Rather than feed directly into the work, we will approach each step with a helix. Make sure your radius is small enough to account for the radius of the tool. We will descend 50 thousandths for every revolution. With SmartClick, we use feature recognition. When I select one hole, all the holes with the same diameter, start height, and depth are included. As you can see, our helical plunge is used and it steps down into 2 passes. I will duplicate pocket 1 because I want to use the same tool and strategy on the slot. But we have to exclude the previous surfaces. Just click on the screen and choose your new faces. SmartClick determines this was a through pocket, so an additional depth was assigned to ensure we cleaned up all the material. Double click on the hole to get the drill diameter. That value is copied to the clipboard. Use the paste button to populate the dialog. Now for the center pockets. Select the bottom faces. The drill diameter matches the previous drilled holes, so we will duplicate that as well. Use the right arrow key on your keyboard to change the order of operations. Now for the last operation, the center hole. Back to Alibre, I'm going to change sketch 3, removing 2 holes. Drag the slide bar to expose all features on the model. I'm going to use the offset command to drop the circular pocket deeper into the part. This requires Alibre Professional, but you can use another tactic in Atom. Let's go one step further and add a chamfer. To automatically transfer your changes, go to the Add-on tab and sync the model. Verify your machining and watch how EZCAM's associative toolpath takes over. And let's not forget our chamfer. Turn milling behaves the same as the milling we just watched, so let's jump into turn. First thing we do is set up our stock. Working with your templates to load your tool strategies is the best approach. Feature recognition is based on the selected tool. EZCAM finds any groove on the model automatically. Back into Alibre, we'll edit our sketch. Let's sync our model and verify all of our toolpaths for the update. And there we have it. SmartClick and feature recognition, toolpaths of the future.